Okay, so the cubic root is the inverse function of y equals x cubed. Okay, y equals x cubed. If you switch to x and y, re-isolate for the new y, you get the cubic root of x. But it's got 2 at the front, that means it's got a horizontal compression by a factor of 2. So typically when it's 1, it's 1. But now when it's half, okay, when it's half, it's going to be 1. Also when it's negative half, it's going to be negative 1. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, note that it's an odd function. And this right here is going to look like this. Right, so 1 over 8. So when x is equal to 1, it's 1 over 8. When it's equal to half, okay, when it's equal to half, it's equal to, it's a really small number. So it's actually really flat, and it'll meet somewhere here. Okay, and because the parabola goes this way, it doesn't mean anything here. So this is the area we were talking about. So we need to figure out where they meet here. So let's make these two equal to each other. Okay, so let's cube both sides, and you get 2x is equal to 1 over 8 cube x cubed. Actually, cube that, you get power of 6. Bring the 2x over. Okay. Okay, and then you factor out an x, and you get 1 over 8 cube x to the power of 5 minus 2. So we get 0 from here. Clearly they intersect when x equals 0. So from here we get 1 over 8 cube x to the power of 5 is equal to 2. So x to the power of 5 is equals 2 times, right? 8 is 2 to the power of 3. So you get 2 to the power of 7 here. So x is going to be 2 to the power of 7 over 5. Okay, 7 over 5. So this is 2 to the power of 7 over 5. Okay, so that's not a nice number. Let's do this now. Area. Integrate from 0 to 2 to the power of 7 over 5. The graph on top is this one. So I'm going to write that as 2x to the power of 1 over 3. The one at the bottom is 1 over 8x squared. Okay, so this, right, power 1 over 3, so 2x is going to be, add 1, you get 4 over 3 times by 3 over 4. And typically it's x here, but because it's 2x, we would have to chain it by 2, so we actually have to multiply this by further another half. Okay, so that's what we get for the antiderivative. If you feel uneasy, try differentiating this, and you'll see that you get this exact thing here because of this half. This here is 1 over 8 times by 1 over 3x cubed. Okay, now I'm going to plug in 2 to the power of 7 over 5 and 0. This is 3 over 8. Okay, 2 times by 2 times by 2 to the power of 7 over 5, 4 over 3. This is 24. Actually, I'm going to write this as a 2 to the power of 3 times by 3, and x to the power of 3, so we're going to write 2 to the power of 7 over 5 to the power of 3. Plug in 0, everything will turn into 0. So this is what we have to simplify. This is 2 to the power of 3. This is 2 to the power of 1 plus 7 over 5. That's 12 over 5. Two to the power of, this is 21 over 5. So 3, 2 to the power of, that reduces. So 16 over 5 minus 3. Okay, and here it's 2 to the power of 21 over 5 minus 3. Okay, but over 3. Okay, so that's 3, 2 to the power of 1 over 5. Okay, that's 6 over 5 over 3. Wow, okay, so let's factor out 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Then you have to actually times this term by 3, so you get 9. And let's also factor out actually 2 to the power of 1 over 5. Then you get a 9 minus, if you factor out 1 over 5 from here, right, you actually get just 2. Okay, multiply back in, you'll get 6 over 5. Almost done. So you get 5th root of 2, and this is of course just 7. So you can just put 7 here.